Hey everybody, Zero65 here. I'm done repairing him and all. He is dusty, so I kind of discovered that he will not be going in plastic bag. He's just going to be as is, because pretty much his chrome's already ruined because of dust. But it's better like that, so then I don't need to because when they're in plastic bags I don't use them that much. But this is what he says. Really hard to get robot, and he works. I'm just gonna try to figure out why does he turn so much. So I'm just kind of trying to get into the back here and look at that. But for now, here's a little demo. See, look. This robot was donated. If you saw my first video of it, where I was doing unboxing. Yep, he was completely donated by an eBayer, who is really cool. And from Russell. Thank you very much, Russell. Love the robot. Perfect shape. Nice. And then over here is the big version in the bag, which I had him out early ago by putting some batteries. It would have been cool if he said that. Thank you for watching, and bye.